Right, back to the drawing board with a fresh set of eyes and some sleep. Okay, so I'm going to kick the scope in the guts and I'm going to look at the waveform here. Make sure that that's pretty much correct, because that in turn feeds the grid of the PL500, which is here. If that's okay, I'm thinking maybe the overwind might have shorter turns, or there's something not quite right with that flyback transformer. Last night I ran around with a meter check and all these other associated components, and everything seemed okay. I swapped all 3 valves out as from last night, made no difference. Checked that resistor, checked all this, it all appears to be fine. So yeah, I'll now turn the scope on and see what happens. Right, just got a scope right there, plug it in. Oh god, give me old poor Tektronix a bit of a wake up here. Haven't fired this thing up in a long time. Just turn around a wee bit. Oh, I can smell that lovely aroma of that lovely smell that's coming out of this from the fan. That distinctive smell of old Tektronix scopes. That quite sort of a, I don't know, it's quite a strong smell, like a sort of a circuit board smell, but it's not. It's sort of an unusual sort of aroma all of its own. There we go. Yeah, I've got to fix that. There's some horizontal fault over there. When I last fired this up, been about 2 years ago, that was there. It kind of goes away as it warms up. No, actually no, the last time I fired this up, I think, was when I did a video, a video update, which was about a year ago. So there we go, I stand corrected. But it's not going to stop me from looking at a waveform. Where are we? So yes, this was the best $5 I ever spent. That's what I got it for. I had a ham junk sale about 15-20 years ago. So, and yeah, out of all my Tektronix scopes, this has been the most reliable, all the valve ones anyway. Okay, so right, let's kick this thing in the guts. What is that odd noise outside? It's like brakes or something. Someone dragging something outside, making a hell of a squealing noise. Yeah, it is quite weird actually at the moment. You go outside and no cars on the street, no one walking around, no traffic going down the road. It's really quite bizarre. It's just no one around. It's strange, really strange at the moment here. Very quiet. Mind you, I like quiet. I can think properly when it's quiet. Okay, here we go. Oscillator's vertical frame stage is starting to wake up. So, excuse me, I'm sort of a bit novice at doing all these things one-handed. Now it is, let me see. Come on, you stupid thing, focus. So C is there, which is that yellow wire there. That's the line drive, and I'll go on the other side of that cap. So let's see what we get on there. I've got a sneaky suspicion it's going to be fine. Where are we? At that point there, I think. Let me see, is all the frequency. Oh, yep, that's fine. That's kind of what I suspected, actually. There's nothing wrong with that at all. That looks pretty correct to me. Bugger. Bugger. Really... I need to go clean all these switches again, too. I would have last worked on this probably, yeah, last gave this a full service. When I last, yeah, 15, 20, at least 15 years ago, and then it went to storage. So this is actually probably the first time this has been actually physically used in ages. No, that's correct. So, bugger. Well, it's not. Well, all's not lost because I've got several flybacks. I've got several used and new flybacks. I can't put my hand on the new flybacks at the moment. I don't even know where they are. I did go looking, so I might have to put a second hand on it and see what happens. Yeah, no, it's. I might just check this too. That's working. That's working fine. That side of things is running okay. Where's E? E is up the top here. I'm thinking E is probably that green wire there. Just put my scope on that one and see what happens. If I can. Actually, even that's looking correct from what I can see on the screen. It's a bit noisy, but even that's. Hang on, I'll just bring the trace down a bit. And I'll try that again. Yeah, even that's looking all right as well. I'll just hang on. Sorry about this, guys. Trying to do this one hand, and I know my footage can be a bit jerky and jumpy, and I do apologise for that. It's try not to zap myself too, because there's a bloody HT line running right by my finger at the moment. So, what's happened there? What's happened there? Hang on a second. Back in a tick. Yeah, no, that's looking fine as per the waveform. Okay. Let's see. Reference pulse, which seems to be alright. Working okay. Guessing. If that's working, that's probably okay. I'll just check that. I'll check that point too, just for giggles as well, to make sure that that's looking correct as well. Which I dare say it probably is. Okay, so take that off without zapping ourselves. I'll just. Something's smelling hot. I can smell something getting hot. Okay, so it'll be pin 2, I think, which is. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just trying to do this one hand. It's not that easy. Where is it? It is this one here from memory, I think. Oh, yep. There you go. That's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yep. That's fine. That looks. No, that's fine. That's what was I expecting anyway. That looks fine. Oh shit. Oh heck, that is getting rather hot. Yes, it's got that sort of sweet, sort of sickly smell. I reckon this has got shorter turns, actually, to be honest. When you're drawing, not even, I mean, it's kind of, it's the thing that it is producing some EHT. And obviously it's not creating enough of a it's obviously not creating enough juice to light the DY87. It's filament. Kind of really draw a bit of a blank on here. Obviously the flyback must be faulty, but I just I don't know. I mean, I'm getting the right waveforms, the right waveforms there, the line drives there. It's working. Again, getting some EHT. It's definitely working, but it's not producing enough. Even the boost voltage is actually low too. I think I did check that last night. I mean, unless the boost cap's partially leaky or shorted, which I highly doubt, because I checked the boost side. I've got about 450 odd volts of boost. Ew. Yeah. No, okay, hang on. Yeah, it did it. No. That was a bit of a dumb thing to do. So the sacrificial meter I've got here. It should be more than that. It should be a lot higher than that. Well, all I can ascertain is this is crook. Oh, it's getting quite hot. That it's not. It's definitely a lot hotter than what I'd like. I think these do run quite hot anyway, but it's. Oh well, I will. The problem is I haven't got a flyback ring checker anyway. I haven't got anything to check to see if the flyback is ringing or anything. So see if it is actually working. So I'm now going to go and find another one and put it in and see what happens. Right. Okay. Stay tuned for a further update.